Here we go, with 3 minutes left, Alex in the number 7 is making his move.
He promised his mother he'd bring home the prize money for her surgery. This is the moment.
3 wide into the corner, this is insanity.
He's risking it all right now. Hold on, Alex.
None of them are lifting, someone has to back out.
Just breathe, Alex. Do it for her.
The red McLaren is gone. It's a drag race for second place now.
He's past one. Come on, Alex, push.
McLeod in the Bentley gets both of them from 4th to 2nd in one corner.
He did it. He's fighting for that life-saving money.
Brilliant move, Alex. Push for the leader.
Phenomenal racing.
The family is watching. Tears of joy in the garage.
He's clear. He's hunting the leader now.
1 lap left to save his family. Go, Alex, go.
Unbelievable victory.
He saved her. A race for love.
Glyn Geddy isn't done yet, he's catching the slipstream.
Alex needs to block him. The surgery funds depend on this P2 finish.
He's pulling alongside, it's a drag race to Les Gambé.
Hold your ground, Alex. Think of Mum.
Geddy has the inside line for the next part, but outside for the entry.
Late braking from both. Who's going to yield?
Don't lock up, careful.
McLeod holds the inside. Geddy runs wide, but he's still there.
Look at that suspension work. He's fighting the car.
McLeod prevails, he holds 2nd place. What a drive!
He did it. He defended the position. The money is 1 step closer.
P2 is ours. Now go get P1.
Every corner counts for his mother's future.
He's got clear air now. The leader is 3 seconds up the road.
Can he close the gap in time?
He keeps her picture right there. He's driving for her life.
Through Pouhon, flat out, this car is on rails.
The leader is struggling with tyres. McLeod is taking huge chunks out of the lead.
Their hearts are beating as one. It's now or never.
He's right there, into the final sector. Can he make the move?
He's filling his mirrors. Flash the lights. Let him know you're there.
He dives down the inside. They touch. They touch.
He's through, he's done it. Unbelievable. Alex McLeod wins the British GT. He's won the money. He's saved his family.
We did it, Mom. We did it. I love you, Mom. This is for you.
More than a race. This is a family's future secured.
A hero on and off the track.